All right, so we're going to start with the push-pull. So we're pushing out and back, pass over, 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 out, back, pass over. Two more. 1 and 2. Great. Okay, we're going to do the goal pose. So we've got our elbows at shoulder height, and we're bringing our elbows together, not quite touching, passing off our accessory, our weight or our magazine, and back, and then 2, back, and 3, and back, and 4, and back, and 5, and back, and 6, and back, and 7, and back, and 8, and back. Great. Okay. Remember, move at your own speed. If you can only get 4 done, or 5 done, or 3 done, that's fine. It's just great to be doing it. All movement is good movement, I think. Next, we're going to do the arm and leg cross. So I'll start with my right arm and left leg. We're moving the left leg over and the right arm across, stepping forward. There's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and I have my chair here, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Great. I'll slide the chair over. Now I'm going to move my right foot forward and my left arm across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Terrific. All right, march in place. If we're seated, remember we're just going to be lifting our knee up so that it's at hip level. And if we're standing, we're going to just lift up and down and alternate up and down and up and down, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, 5, 6, and down. 7, up and down. 8. Terrific. Now side to side, we're stepping out to the right and back in, out to the left and back in. If we're seated, we're just putting we're seated on the chair, we're just putting our legs out to the side. So we'll start out to the right and back, out to the left and back, to the right and back, left and 2, and 3, and 4. I like to keep my shoulders back slightly, head looking forward. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Terrific. Okay. Alternating leg circles. So what we're going to do is just lift our leg up and sort of swing it back. And then we'll do the other side. So I said alternating. I did not mean that. I said opposite sides. Excuse me. So we'll start with the right side. We're going to lift the knee up and swing that leg around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Okay. Other side now. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now we're going to alternate our arm and leg. So we'll be bringing our right arm up to the sky, bringing our left knee up to our hip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'll switch sides. Left hand up, right knee up. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Terrific. Okay, forward knee flex. See how we're doing on time? Oh, I think we'll be just right. So we're just going to bring our knee out and back. Out and back. If we're sitting, we're just raising our knee up as high as we can. Again, only to as high as you're comfortable. So 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Great. Other side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Terrific. All righty. Now we'll do our backward knee. So if we're sitting, we're going to be bringing our knee behind us and back. Out and back, out and back. If we're standing, we're just bringing our knee behind us. Great. Okay, so we'll do first aid on.
Good day.
All right. 1, 2, 3. We want to make sure. There we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, terrific. And now our last one, or our last few, is the foot flex. So I think we might have lost Judy. I'm not sure. But we're stretching our foot. We're just lifting our foot slightly off the ground and then kicking our toe, stretching our ankle out so that our toe extends to the fullest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now our ankle circles. So we're lifting our legs slightly and we're just clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever way you like. And then just go in the opposite direction. We're just circling that foot around, giving our nice lubrication to our ankles. And other leg, lift up and circle, circle. Great, and back. And our final exercise is the wrist circles. And again, it's almost like you're conducting an orchestra or waving hot and cold water together, but it's the wrist, you're circling your wrist frontwards and backwards to sort of get that lubrication and mobility going. And hey, terrific. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope that this helped you with some relatively non-complex exercises that will be easy to replicate if you can watch this again. And again, my my feeling was, let's try to create a program that is pretty simple, meaning that we start at the top and we work our way down. And then what we're doing is we're replicating the common movements of daily living. Again, opening a car door, reaching for a book, carrying groceries, or whatever the case may be.